just coming up on the track right here. Gonna see if anything has changed and see if it's mudded so that we can begin this mudding journey. We're gonna get so mudded out, bro. It's gonna be amazing. My bike's gonna be so dirty. All right, so we're gonna jump over this. We're gonna move all this stuff and we're gonna jump right into it. All right, first jump. Let's see how we do. Dang it. I completely missed the mud.
You gotta like, just flip the throttle.
All right. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! All right, we're gonna be hitting this mud hole at the same exact time. See how much of a splash we can make. Oh yeah! There we go. You got this. Skid mud. Ooh, I just slid so much. Woo-hoo-hoo. How cold's the water? Dude, this is all snow that just melted. All that rainfall, all that ice melt. Oh no, this is gonna wash off the bikes. No. I'm just gonna go through it. Ooh, maybe that was actually a good thing. Dirt will get all over us now. Let's go. Got all this loaded, and then this right here, all mud. All right, let's see how this is. Zero traction, let's go. Yo, a little track. Yo, perfect. Gonna try to wheelie through that puddle. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Dude! Alright, one last time through this thing. All this is mudded and zero traction, so let's just full throttle this John. Oh damn. Oh. Oh crap. Oh my. Oof. Ooh, that's a wall. There's some workers right there. I don't think they care, right? Hopefully they don't. Yo, my brother's up there. Let's go join him. Nice view. All right, we just got done filming some YouTube shorts for you guys up here. It's low-key majestic up here. Look, I got a little puddle. Lake. What should I name it? Well, it's gone now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's very muddy. Oh, dang! Oh my gosh. All that dirt almost came flying into my eyes. Oh! Oh, man down, man down. Yeah, that's in there, dude. That's just talent. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, he's up there. Oh my.
Way more better.
Bro almost died right now. Fan right here. Perfecto. Oh, that was so cold. Oh, that went in my socks. Oh, my socks. They're cold. No. All right. See if the streets are flooded. Go in the water. Drops feel like needles. It hurts so bad. I had to remove my goggles because they got way too mudded out. Oh my gosh. Oh, my eyes. I can't see. We're gonna change since we're soaked and muddy, and then we're gonna come back and rinse off the bikes. My bike's next. It's not as dirty since I ran through the street. Pretty nice.